So what's up, guys? John from Heavy Set Knife Company, grinding some saber grinds. We are gonna do just a little note today. As you guys can see, maybe if I put my hand here right and it focuses, there is a flat spot here. I'm not obviously grinding a zero edge and burning out my edge. I like to leave about 15 thou, because when I sharpen, and you guys can see a little better in that angle there. There you go. So that's a flat spot the whole way down. And I would have considered that good. And I would have probably ended the knife there. Okay, there. Probably would have ended the knife there. Blasted the handles and hardware, and then tumbled the blade. And there you go. But when I got a new set of non-digital calipers, it was able to show me, that's my heat treat, is my oven's, my even heat's beeping. But my new set of calipers that are a little more accurate showed me that from this flat section, I'm actually at about 15 thou. And then from right here to the tip, I'm at about 17 and a half thou. So I want to be sure that I'm leaving enough meat to, one, not burn out, two, not, have it nice and thin behind the edge when I sharpen, because when I sharpen, it's not much, but it's still going to bring that edge up just a little higher, so it'll be a little thicker. So I'm going to take everything down to, before I would have checked it with my calipers and it wouldn't have given me such an accurate read on how much meat's left there. That's why I literally cool every like 3 passes and make sure I don't burn my edge out. And then when I do a thin edge like this, I sharpen on the Tormek, which is water cooled. So I'm so sorry for that beeping in the background. Give me 1 second. Is the set point being reached on my 3V batch? So that's good. But I wanted to just show you guys, just to the level of seriousness that I'm grinding these hunters, because like I said, I want it to be a very functional, hard use knife. Some of the Nitro V ones that are thicker stock, like 140, 130 thou, are more like 20 thou behind the edge, which most guys making a 4-inch knife, 20 thou behind the edge is very good. But for the ones that are out of MagnaCut and stuff, I take them down to more like 10 or 12. And that's where I like them.